In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your very first $1,000 with CPA marketing. This is going to be a step-by-step tutorial for beginners that are struggling to find success with CPA marketing. So first of all, I'm going to show you how to find the perfect affiliate offer that is guaranteed to convert. Then I'm going to show you how to set up your tracking links so you can track conversions and later optimize and scale. And once you have the tracking connected, I'm going to show you how to create the actual campaign using one of my go-to advertising networks. And this step is by far the most important. And as a bonus for all you guys that watch my videos, I'm going to show you a new feature on Propeller Ads that helps me launch profitable campaigns every single day like clockwork. So with that being said, let's dive into step number 1. So the first step is to sign up to Propeller Ads. Now this is one of my go-to advertising platforms that I like to use when launching CPA campaigns. They have many advertising formats to use, including push notifications, in-page push, interstitial, and also pop-unders. Now, I've been using them for the past couple of years now, and I've never had a single issue with payouts or the traffic quality. Now, it's 100% for free to register to Propeller Ads. All you have to do is click on Start if you're a brand new user, register, enter your personal information, verify your email address, and you should be good to go. So I'm going to log in for you guys, and this was step number 1. Once you log in, this is going to be your Propeller Ads dashboard. On the left side right here, you can see your stats based on your campaigns, creatives, date, country, and zone. Obviously, this is once you start receiving traffic. Then you have a traffic chart. In the traffic chart tab, here you will find optimal CPM rates based on country, advertising formats, and all these different connection types and platforms. All right, so if you want to check out your CPM rates when you're bidding, creating a campaign, head over to traffic chart. Then you have your tracking, which is super important to track conversions so you can later optimize and scale your campaigns. We're going to be going into this in just a couple of minutes. And of course, to start running campaigns, you need to add funds. So click on add funds. And at the moment, the minimum deposit is $100. So if you're going to be testing your very first campaign, I recommend using Propeller Ads as your advertising platform. So once you have an account with Propeller Ads, this leads me to step number 2, and that is to find a good CPA network where we can select an offer that we can promote. Now, one of my top recommendations for CPA networks is Golden Goose. They have many verticals to choose from, including files, games, utility offers, music, health and lifestyle, video streaming, education, and more. So guys, they have hundreds of awesome offers, fast payouts. So this is a great CPA network to use and to select offers from. And this network is super beginner friendly because some of their offers have very simple conversion flows, which means that you can get paid for simple email submits or game installs. So the user doesn't have to purchase anything. This is what a simple conversion flow offer is in a nutshell. So this is why I recommend this network for beginners. Also, sign up is 100% for free. So I'm going to log in for you guys and let's select an offer. Once I've registered for a free account, we can move on to step number 3, which is select an offer. Now, an offer is very crucial and it can break or make the campaign. So it's very important to select the right offer. What I usually do is go featured and I click on best rating because this gives me the best rating offers on this network. So I recommend for selecting one of these best rating offers because if they're working for somebody else, then chances are it's going to work for us as well. So for instance, let's take a look at this one right here. It pays out 52 cents and it's in South Africa. So we have to send traffic to the geolocation South Africa. So this is some type of mainstream games offer, I believe. Yes, games category. It has a conversion flow of 2-click flow. All right, it's 24/7, it's public, so you don't have to request for approval. And let's see the traffic targeting requirements. It's going to give you guys the connection types, the carriers to use, and what are the promotion restrictions. So as you can see, no adult, no aggressive methods, and what traffic types you can use. So I'm going to go back to the home page and I'm going to select a couple of filters. So I'm going to select the filter mainstream, and for the traffic source, I'm going to select Propeller Ads. And now Golden Goose is going to give me all offers, and there are 470 in total that are suitable for mainstream and Propeller Ads. So let's take a look at this one right here. So let's go to this one. 40 cents payout. It is a 2-click flow and it is in the geolocation Indonesia. When you scroll down, you can see that Propeller Ads is a highly useful offer for this network It's one of the top offers on this network and it is Golden Goose verified. So this is a very good offer to promote. So once you have selected your offer, now it's time for step number 4, and that is to set up your tracking with Propeller Ads. So this means that every time you get a conversion inside Golden Goose, it's going to be transferred over to your Propeller Ads account, which is going to help you optimize and scale the campaign. So the first thing that you need to do inside Golden Goose is click on account, click on global postback, and here is your postback URL. You can click on instructions and it will give you all of the macros responsible for transferring conversions. Now you can head over to Propeller Ads, click on tracking, and what you need to do here is click on other tracker or CPA network, because in this video tutorial we're not going to be using an expensive tracking tool, but instead we're going to be directly integrating Propeller Ads with Golden Goose. So click on other tracker or CPA network. Now you want to copy this S2S postback URL, and as you can see, change the macros in this link, sub ID and payout. So that's exactly what we're going to do. I'm going to head back over to Golden Goose, all right, so to the tracking page. I'm going to paste it inside here, just like so. The Golden Goose macro for transferring conversions is P1, right? This one right here. So I'm going to copy it. I'm going to replace it with $ sub ID. And the payout macro is profit. So partners pay out in the currency of this offer. So you can do exactly what I'm doing. Okay, simple as that. Now you can click on update. So now every time you get a conversion inside Golden Goose, it's going to be transferred over into Propeller Ads. So now it's time to grab our affiliate link. So I'm going to go back to the offer. So we chose this one right here. I'm going to click on get link. This is the link right here. But now we need to select a traffic source because this link is not the final destination URL. So you need to select ad network. And luckily for us, Propeller Ads is on this list. So you can click on Propeller Ads and it's automatically going to add the suitable macros. So every time you get a conversion, once again, it's going to be transferred over to your Propeller Ads account. And now this is your final destination promo URL. So you need to select, so before copying this URL, you need to select your traffic source, which is Propeller Ads. Okay, and now you can copy it. And this is the final destination URL. Now you can click on finish. And this leads me to step number 5, create the actual campaign inside Propeller Ads. So head over to your account, click on create campaign. And this is by far the most important part of the entire video. Now in the intro, I mentioned that Propeller Ads has a new feature that helps me create profitable campaigns like clockwork. And this feature is a new targeting option for on-click CPM. I'm going to explain how this works in just a second, but first let's give this campaign a name. So I'm going to basically copy the name of this offer. So game viral 2 click. Okay, so this is Golden Goose and it's in the geolocation Indonesia. Now for the advertising formats, we are going to be using on-click, pop under, and direct click ads. So these are full page and eye-catching ads opening in the background of your desktop or mobile. Okay, I'm sure you have seen this before. For the traffic type, we're going to be using pop under. This is a full tab with maximum visibility, opens in a new browser tab. Then you also have an option for direct click. So for top converting zones, providing direct visits to your offer. But I'm just going to use the standard pop under. For the pricing model, I'm going to go with CPM. So we are going to be paying for 1,000 ad impressions. And now you can enter your target URL. So this is the final destination URL that we have copied from Golden Goose. So I'm going to copy it once again, go back to Propeller Ads. I'm going to paste it inside the target URL field. Now make sure the zone ID and click ID macro is highlighted blue. You can cap the impressions to 3 per 24 hours, which means that one user can see the advertisement no more than 3 times per 24 hours. Now when it comes down to traffic sources, you have 3 options: exclusive inventory only, partner traffic only, or both. Now, exclusive inventory is high quality traffic from our exclusive supply partners, which is best for testing, and partner traffic is best for scaling. Now, usually when I'm testing a brand new campaign and I have no data or statistics, I usually go with exclusive inventory. You can click on include anti-ad block. And now for the campaign reach, which is their new feature, which is for the on-click CPM advertising format. This is basically audience targeting. And here you have two options, high intent or wide reach. So high intent audience, this is the best pick when offer requires very engaged users ready to convert. This one is great when you launch the offer for the first time and need to attract fresh users. And wide reach audience, this option is best for additional communication with the audience. Simply put, it works best when you show same offer to the user more than once. So in a nutshell, the high intent option will give you less impressions but a higher conversion rate. And the wide reach audience is going to give you more impressions with a lower conversion rate. And then you can also test both at the same time. But guys, what I like to do, we have a simple conversion offer. So I'm going to click on high intent only, which means that we're going to get super high quality traffic to our offer. So now let's move on to countries and bid. We obviously have Indonesia. And now regarding the CPM, you can click on set recommended rate and it's going to give you the optimal rate based on your targeting. And it gave us 0.64, which means that we're going to be paying about 64 cents per 1,000 ad impressions. And if you turn off set recommended rate, you can see some of the highest winning bids, 40, 50, 70, 90, and 150. But I'm just going to go with set recommended rate for this geolocation. Now we can't target by cities or states because we don't know what is working, what's not working. So I'm going to leave both of these on. For the daily budget, I'm going to do like 25 bucks and a total of 50. So this campaign is going to run for 2 days, spending $25 each. For the targeting, make sure to head over to Golden Goose and check out their tag information. So they give us the connection type, the carrier, and the landing page language, and that's about it. So this offer supports both mobile and desktop traffic. And I always like to test either mobile or either desktop traffic only per campaign, never both. I never do both. So click on targeting platform, either desktop or mobile. I'm going to go with mobile. And they also give you a recommendation, one platform equals one ad campaign because desktop and mobile traffic perform differently. So I'm going to test mobile traffic first. So I'm going to click on OS. I'm going to click on Android because Android is the most popular. I'm not going to select any OS versions because I have no idea which OS versions work better than others. Devices also, browsers also, browser language also, I'm going to leave this blank. But for the connection type, they gave us 3G LTE, so we can select 3G LTE. Proxy, I'm going to click on no proxy. They also gave us a carrier, which is SmartFriend, so I'm going to select it inside here as well. Mobile ISP include, I'm going to search it up, there it is. Now zone limitation, sub-zone limitation, audiences, leave this blank. Click on do not collect audience for retargeting. And on the right side, you can see the traffic estimator once you fill everything out. And when you take a look at this chart, it says that you will take part in an auction of 550,000 of traffic and you can reach up to 40% of possible conversion count. So make sure to check that you're going to receive a decent amount of traffic and that you didn't go too specific with your targeting. Now, before you start your campaign, make sure to scroll up and double check everything. All right, so make sure to double check your format, traffic type, pricing model, and also your target URL. Make sure that this is working. You can paste it in a new tab or do a test conversion inside Propeller Ads or Golden Goose. Okay, and also make sure to check all your target information. Once you're satisfied with your campaign, you can click on I declare and guarantee that my campaign meets the quality guidelines and click on start campaign. And I also forgot to mention that with on-click pop under ads, you don't have to create any creatives. So this is awesome for beginners. All you have to do is fill out your campaign information, target information, and you can start the campaign. You don't have to come up with any creatives, images, titles, or anything like that. That's why I love on-click pop under ads. So it's great for beginners. So now you can click on start campaign and it's going to undergo approval. So here it is, it's under moderation. This usually takes about a couple of hours up to date. But if you haven't broken any policies, then you should be good to go and you should be receiving traffic within the next couple of hours. If you want to see more videos in the future where I reveal how these campaigns perform and do a live case study, then make sure to leave a comment down below. I will be more than happy to do so. I've actually created multiple case studies on my channel before where I run a live campaign and you guys seem to love them. So I'm going to create more in the future, but please make sure to smash the like button below and comment what you think about this video. Make sure to sign up to Propeller Ads with the link below in the description. They're one of the best networks in the industry, and they're always ahead of the competition with their new features. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.